Okay, we are gonna be doing another unboxing. This is a Pokemon Sun unboxing. I am hype. I haven't opened one of these. This is my first time opening an Alola box. Well, not card thing. But let's start. We have a Sandile. Sandile. Ooh, Rowlet. Wait. Oh my god. Okay, we have an Energy. And a Golbat. Ooh. A Timberlake. A Psyduck. Eevee. Wow. Another Pepek. An Alola Meowth. Yeah. And ready. Let's hope. Closing my eyes. What will it be? An Umbreon GX. An Umbreon GX, guys. That is actually luck. I've never gotten a GX before. I have like 4 EXs, but a GX, oh my god. So leave a like and say you're the best. Subscribe. Bye.